What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay, you guys, I'm still here in Dollar Tree. I'm gonna start here down the little home aisle, organizational aisle, but then we're gonna go look at makeup, so make sure you guys watch all the way through. We have a lot of great new items this week. We have a lot of great new buffalo check items. If that's your thing, like I really love the red and black buffalo check for Christmas, but I also love this one. They have the pot holders, the oven mitts, they have the towels, we have these little collapsible storage bins, and this is what they look like. Just one of the four sides is covered in black and white. We also have the little puller, and here are the dimensions if you're sizing it for a shelf or cubby. We also have our nice variety of gold trays and baskets. And then we have some brand new waste baskets for the week, little garbage cans, or if you want to use them as little storage bins, you can. We have this sort of sage green, we have pink, we have cream, we have blue, white, and gray. And this is the brand. Crystalline Housewares by Tektron, multi-use waste bin. Definitely new for the week. I want to take you guys down to the makeup, or I should say over to the makeup. We have a lot of name brands this week, brands like e.l.f. And then we have some Maybelline that goes for, I want to say like over $8. Oh my gosh, what's this? I think this display just got put up, you guys. Look, Be Bold. Was it?
Yeah.
I totally missed this, you guys, during the live.
There's another one.
Ooh, okay, thank you. This color is pretty, you guys. Look, the brand is Beauty Essentials. We have matte liquid lipsticks, Confident and Powerful. This one is called Soulful, and whatever was here is sold out. We also have mascaras, you guys, black. And then we have liquid eyeliners. We have a regular pencil eyeliner in black. We have a clear eyebrow gel. You could also use this as a clear mascara. We have a light brown eyebrow pencil, a black eyebrow pencil, and then we have eyeshadows in the shades Considerate. We have Spectacular. We have Inspiring. We have Capable, Helpful, and Progressive. All brand new for the week, you guys. I think Soulful and Confident are probably my favorites. Maybe we'll discover that missing shade down here. Okay. Well, that's LA Colors. More LA Colors. I'm not seeing the display, or maybe she was just saying there was more new makeup down here. Okay. Brand new for the week. We have Electric Lemonade Dream On Lip Gloss by e.l.f. We have Glow in the Dark Nails. We have Flower, this new lip gloss by Flower. And this is the line. It's Galaxy Glaze, and the color is number 20, Milky Way. We have more glowing nails, perfect for Halloween. Glue not included. The e.l.f. angled eyeliner brushes are here. Also brand new is the Instant Pink Nail Glue, 2 to a pack, from the brand Onyx. I think I just said that. We have another nail glue. We also have a brush on nail glue, and this cuticle remover is brand new. If you guys missed my live, I featured this in the title. These go for, I believe, $8.36 each at Walmart. These are the e.l.f. Active Workout Ready Hydration Sticks. Moisturize and be able to breathe and sweat and all that stuff, I guess, is the theory behind those. Here's the Maybelline multi-use foundation stick. Has a little blender on the top. Okay, what else? I feel like I'm missing one item. The jelly highlighters. We have the e.l.f. lashes. Maybe I just went through them all that fast. I feel like there's one other item. All of the beauty blender cases are here. Cute new nail files from Diamond Cosmetics. You can also find these 3-packs at Dollar General. And you guys know these cost so much more at Walmart. These cost like, I put in one of my titles, you guys. It was $10 and some change or $12 and some change. These are the Flawless Finish Foundations by e.l.f. It's such a great deal that they're here at Dollar Tree. Such a great deal. I feel like we have a few other nail items that are new. Oh, these are new. We have a clean, condition, and shine set of files. It's a little 3-pack. These are brand new. We have some new prints as well. A little nail case. These are cute. Cute little pedicure sets. Those would be cute stocking stuffers. Nail grooming kits. I think I want to get this. And I also want to get this one. This one is so cute. Let's take a quick peek down the hygiene aisle. And then, you guys, I'm out of here and off to Aldi. Okay, let's see if we can find anything new over here for the week. Oh, the beard oil. Thank you. Look, you guys, by Power Stick. Timber scented beard oil. It's a 6-oil blend. This would be a perfect stocking stuffer if you guys are already starting to shop for Christmas. Or maybe you're always shopping for Christmas and always looking for little gifts or things to put in like birthday bags and stuff like that. I'm always looking for stuff like that. Let's come over here to the masks. Did you guys find these e.l.f. masks in your store last week? It's a little lemon infused brightening mask. We've been seeing a lot of the Miss Spa masks lately. I've been noticing all of the Dollar Trees I've been to lately have been really stocked up on bathroom towels, washcloths, and the shower curtain liners. And in my new Family Dollar Dollar Tree combo store, there are some brands that we don't normally see here at Dollar Tree that are also offered for $1. 2 packs of washcloths in colors other than the traditional colors we see here. Colors other than white, gray, black, and navy blue. We have some brighter varieties. So if you guys have a combo store in your area, a Family Dollar that has recently been switched over to being a combo store, you guys definitely look for those $1 items because we have a lot of varieties there that we're not finding here, which makes it really, really fun to go there and look around and hunt for those dollar items. I think this is new. An exfoliating facial scrub. It says it has hyaluronic acid and tea tree. That's the brand The Nobleman. And this is also brand new. An Epsom salt foot gel. Cools and comforts. It's a soaking alternative. And it says it has easy application. You found something? Something new?
I think it's a man. I'm not sure.
Oh, Jovan Musk. Thank you. Yeah, that's definitely new.
Yeah, I think it's a man. I'm not sure.
Oh, thank you.
But
Is it an aftershave?
Yes, because I smell.
Aftershave. Yeah.
It smells good.
Yeah, you guys, this is an aftershave. Let's see, how many ounces is it? It's a little one. 0.5 ounces, 15
But
milliliters.
it still is good.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You always show me the new stuff. And I appreciate that. All right, you guys. I think that's about it for this video. I know I didn't show them, but I actually bought some last week. Not the Ready White brand, but it's like a black, yellow, and white humongous tub of like around the house wipes. It was like 160 in a container. I might show them during a Dollar Tree haul, but it's such a great value because you get so many. Again, those are in the automotive area, and it was just such a great deal. All right, you guys, well, thank you so much for coming to Dollar Tree with me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.